Hello, I'm Emily Elliott with CCSD Innovation and Digital Learning, and today I'm going to share with you 3 tips and a hack for better instructional screencasts. Instructional videos are fantastic for designing self-paced learning experiences, like playlists, for students at all levels, whether the students are learning remotely or are in the classroom. Here's our first tip. Keep it brief, like super duper short. The ideal length of an instructional video should be under 6 minutes. Between 6 and 9 minutes, engagement drops slightly and it falls dramatically after 9. This supports the case for making multiple short videos instead of one long video. Think about delivering content in a super skinny, lean way. What is absolutely essential? What is not? Where can students discover content for themselves without you walking them through the process? Chunk instruction in such a way that each video covers a single learning objective or task and nothing more. This is way easier said than done. Our next tip is to make a plan and use your tools, which is where our hack comes in. Plan your slides like you would plan your lessons, or they'll be too long, you'll be too rambly, and you'll have to do a million takes. Or maybe that's just me. When you're designing your slides, remember that images are more impactful than words. Our brains are terrible multitaskers. We can either read words on a slide or we can listen to someone speak, but we can't do both. So use your tools. Use the speaker notes to script out or make general notes about the words that are going to be coming out of your mouth for each image on the slide. And here's a little hack for using your speaker notes while you're recording. The great thing about using speaker notes is that it allows you to use presenter view when you're recording your video. Here's a quick hack for recording screencasts using Screencastify and Google Slides. I'm going to use presenter view by clicking the present menu and clicking presenter view, which pulls up a window in which I can navigate my slides while also seeing my speaker notes. I'm going to use Screencastify to record this screencast. When I click record, the trick is to, instead of your entire screen, choose application window and select the application window where your presentation is open in presentation mode. Then click share. Make sure you have that presenter view window on top, and then you can navigate through your slides while also seeing your presenter notes, but all that's being recorded is what is in the presentation view. The last tip I'll share is don't make perfect the enemy of good. Be authentic, be yourself, and don't get bogged down in small mistakes. Your screencasts don't have to be award-worthy to scaffold or build knowledge for your learners. This video relied heavily on 2 articles written by Kareen Farah. They are linked in the resources to the right and offer a lot more guidance on planning and recording your own instructional videos. Definitely check them out. I hope you found this helpful. Thanks for watching.